New Mexico Broker Basics, page 31. Unit 2, quiz. When acting as a property manager for a principal, the brokerage relationship in which of the following? A. Transaction broker. B. Exclusive agency. C. The relationship is chosen by the parties. Or D. Sub-agency. The answer is B. Exclusive agency. Number 2. Every licensee must meet disclosure requirements to any consumer. Disclosure must include which of the following? A. Disclosure of any conflict of interest. B. Description of the licensee's broker duties. C. Notice of an in-house transaction. Or D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Number 3. Which duties below are owed to an agent's client, but not owed to a transaction's broker's client or customer? A. Honesty and responsible care, or reasonable care and ethical and professional conduct. B. Prompt accounting for all monies. C. Loyalty and obedience. Or D. Performance of any oral or written agreements. The answer is C. Loyalty and obedience. Number 4. Which of the following would a New Mexico listing broker not be required to disclose to a potential buyer? A. Seller is a licensed New Mexico real estate broker. B. A list of broker duties. C. Listing broker is related to seller. Or D. A seller's motivation for selling the property. The answer is D. A seller's motivation for selling the property. Number 5. Broker duties must be disclosed. A. In writing to a prospective customer or client. B. Within 48 hours of acceptance of contract. C. Only if entering into an agency relationship. Or D. Only if the purchase offer is accepted. The answer is A. In writing to a prospective customer or client. Number 6. A buyer's agent must disclose to a seller facts concerning a buyer's A. Willingness to pay more than the purchase price. B. Reasons for purchasing the property. C. Financial inability to perform the terms of the contract. Or D. Willingness to accept methods of financing other than those offered. The answer is C. Financial inability to perform the terms of the contract. Number 7. Any transaction broker owes the buyer a duty to A. Disclose conditions that adversely affect the property. B. Investigate conditions that may impact the property. C. Independently verify the accuracy of statements made by the seller. Or D. Disclose any information they learn about the seller. The answer is A. Disclose conditions that adversely affect the property. Number 8. If asked to estimate the dollar amount a buyer can deduct on his income taxes, a transaction broker should A. Calculate the interest deduction for the buyer. B. Call the listing broker and ask for a disclosure of the tax deduction. C. Suggest that the buyer seek advice from a tax expert. Or D, call the county assessor to determine what the taxes are on the property. The answer is C, suggest that the buyer seek advice from a tax expert. Number 9, prior to presenting any document that has the potential to become an express written agreement, a broker must disclose in writing all of the following except A, any written brokerage relationship the broker has with any other parties to the transaction. B, any material interest or relationship of a business, personal, or family nature that broker has in the transaction. C, other brokerage relationship options available in New Mexico. Or D, broker's license number and county where it was issued. The answer is D, broker's license number and county where it was issued.